In the last video, we have done the EIGRP configuration, and today we gonna do OSPF single area configuration. Now we have to configure OSPF. First, let me show you what is OSPF. So OSPF is the dynamic protocol and the matrix of OSPF is cost. Unlike the other routing protocol such as static, RIP and EIGRP, there is a limitation in all of these protocols. But in OSPF, you can connect n number of routers. There are different versions in OSPF. In CCNA, we are gonna do OSPF version 3. Also, there are two types of OSPF, OSPF single area and OSPF multi-area. Today, we are gonna talk about OSPF single area. There are two rules to configure OSPF. First one is process ID and the second one is area ID. Process ID works the same as autonomous system number and we have to mention the area on each router. Remember, both process ID and area should be the same on each router. If you configure any different process ID on router 1 and router 2, the route will not transfer automatically, and in that situation we will do redistribution. So the syntax of OSPF is router OSPF and process ID, network x.x.x.x, then area and area ID. So click on router 0, go to CLI, press enter. Type enable to go to privilege mode. Type show IP route. Type configure terminal to go to global configuration mode. Type OSPF 20. Now type network 192.168.0.0. Here we have to type wildcard bits. The wildcard bits is nothing but 255 minus subnet max. For example, the subnet max of this network is 255.255.255.192. Then 255 minus 255, 255 minus 255, 255 minus 255 and 255 minus 192. The answer is 0.0.0.63. Then type area 1. We have to configure each and every network in the same area while we configure OSPF single area. So put others network on area 1. Type network 192.168.0.96, 0.0.0.3 as 255 minus 252. Then type area 1. Type exit and save it with the right command. Close the window, click on router 1 and go to CLI. Press enter. Type enable to go to privilege mode. Type show IP route connected. Type configure terminal to go to global configuration mode. Type router OSPF 20. Type network 192.168.0.64, 0.0.0.31 as 255 minus 224. Type area 1. Type network 192.168.0.96, 0.0.0.3 as 255 minus 252. Type area 1. Type exit and save it with the right command. Verify, then open router 0. On privilege mode, type show IP route. You can see that connected networks, which is denoted by C. Also, there is O, which means OSPF. Now open router 1, type show IP route. You can see that connected networks, which is denoted by C. Also, there is O, which means OSPF. Now open any PC, then verify that PCs are communicate with each other or not. Go to CMD and type the IP address 192.168.0.67. Here you can see that replies are coming from that PC. That means our configuration is successful. So that's for today. In the next video, we gonna do OSPF multi-area configuration. Thanks for watching.